Zulu Capone, level 20 of the Bandit walkthrough for the Shad0w Synd1cate DEFCON 702 group. There is a set UID binary in the home directory that does the following. It makes a connection to localhost on the port you specify as a command line argument. It then reads a line of text from the connection and compares it to the password in the previous level, which is the level we're on, Bandit 20. And if the password is correct, it'll transmit the password for the next level, Bandit 21. So I believe this set UID will connect right back to localhost on the port we tell it to connect to. So we need to run a server on that port, transmit from our server the current password. We'll be transmitting that to this connect when it connects, and it should spit the password back out. So we're gonna need to, alright, first we're gonna start up, let's start up a netcat listener. We're gonna listen verbosely. I believe the N is for no DNS resolution, and P is the port we want to listen on. Let's listen on 35,000. And okay, let's go ahead and start listening on there. And we're going to have to open up another window. And SSH Bandit 20 at port. So all we're doing is we're just having two connections as Bandit 20. Alright, one that we have the server running on, and then another one here where we're going to run that set UID binary. So there it is. So we're going to run that. Let me copy the password for this level so I can feed it in. So when I run that, we should see up here that there's a connection. We have to put the port though, 35,000. Okay. So we have a connection. Let's paste the current password in. Hit enter to send that to this binary down here. And there it is. Password matches, sending next password. And here's the password they sent. So all we did was use netcat to start up a server on the box, and then we connected to the box again and ran this binary, which connected to our server, and we sent them the proper credentials, and it sent us back what we needed. So copy this new password, and let's move on to the next level.